Welcome to my YouTube channel, House Plan 2D Drawing. I'm going to teach you guys on how to draw a 3D drawing in Archicad. First of all, I want you to go to Design and click on this wall tool and go to the settings here and change the wall from this to this and click 225 because that's what I want. That's the thickness of the wall I want, and click OK. What is next now? I'm just going to zoom in. I'm just going to sketch a building out, just a simple building out. I want to show this what I drew now in 3D. What I will just go is, in case this 3D is not showing here, I'm just going to cancel it. In case it's not showing there, it's not on this bar here, just right click and show and move down to show all in 3D and wait for it to load, and it's going to give you this out. It's going to give you this. As you can see, it's giving me this, and I want to design it now. So now I want there to be windows and doors in the 3D building. I'll go to my ground floor. I'll click on door. I want there to be a door here. I want there to be a 1.5 door. I'll go to the settings and I'll look for a double door. And let me click on the design. No, let me click on this design. I'll click on there, click on OK. I'll just select this, okay, and let me look for windows. Okay, 900. I'll select this. No, I'll click on windows and go to the window settings. I want to select a sliding window. I'll select this and click on OK, and just, I don't want it to be 1.5, I want it to be 1.2, or it can be 900 depending on how you wish your windows to be. And I want there to be a window there, I want there to be a window here also. Mind you, I'm just trying to sketch something out. I'm not this is not a drawing that was planned. I'm just sketching something off the head just to show you guys how to design a 3D in Archicad. Okay, let's say we are done now. I'm gonna click on the 3D. Automatically, it's going to be showing us all of this in Archicad. As you can see, this is the 3D video. It's very easy for you to create it in Archicad. All you need to do is, if you need something, if you want to design the 3D, all you need to do is go back to the plan. Let's say, for instance, I want there to be a pillar here now. For instance, I'll go to my document. I'm trying to look for the middle, so I'll just click on this. I mean the center point, and I'll click on this. Let me just cut this because I want there to be a pillar around that side. I'm just going to go to design, click on column, and just click inside. And I'm going to select the column, go to the settings dialog of the column, and click on 225 and click OK. What I'm going to do next now is click on this edge and move it to that edge, and this is it. It's going to give me this. If I go back to my 3D view, it's going to show, can you see? It's going to show on my 3D that I've placed a column here. And if you move inside, you can see that there are no doors here. If you go back to the